Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS6550i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to install the ink cartridges and also load paper. Switch the printer on and off from this button. Then select language. You scroll up or down to select the language. Then select OK to confirm. Then select up. Select yes to confirm the language. Install the ink cartridges. Then open the door. So you put your finger on this side or on the right side to lift up the ink access door. Then ink cartridges holder will move and position itself on this corner. The colored one goes to the left. The black goes to the right. So just need to press this and bring the cover up. Now we're going to take the color ink cartridge, remove this plastic, then you go in, then pull ink holder down, then do the same thing to the black. Remove this plastic, then you go in. So this is how to install the ink. Then lift the door up, then forward to close the cover. We show you the cover has been closed. Then you wait. Start alignment to improve the print quality. Yes or no? Before you do that, we need to load the paper. Then open the casket. So adjust the paper. So the paper we're going to load is A4 paper. So take 3 or more letter size of A4 or letter. This is A4 paper. Then adjust it. So this is how to load A4. If you want to load photo paper, but because we want to complete alignment, if you want to load photo paper, for example, you need to take photo paper. The printable area or the smooth or glossy part need to face down. So if you want to load photo paper, printable area need to face down. Then adjust the paper clip. This is 4x6 photo paper. The smooth part, printable area face down. The rough part need to be up for you to load 4x6 photo paper. So we're going to load A4 because we want to complete alignment. So this is A4 paper. Then load the gasket back into the printer. Then the next thing to do is to complete alignment. Then use up or down arrow to select yes to confirm start alignment. Then select yes. It will show you load A4 or letter size plain paper into the casket and press OK, which we have done. Then select OK. Calibrating the printer for optimal print quality. Do not remove the paper. About 2 minutes. So this will take about 2 minutes. Then it will ask you, do you want to enable automatic fireware update? Enable recommended or disable. Enable is recommended, then select OK. Then it will show you the menu. You can see copy, scan, and maintenance. So this is how to load paper and complete alignment. And from this screen, you can scroll down to select scan, maintenance, settings, printer details, maintenance, or copy. So this is how to install the ink cartridges, load paper, and complete alignment. Thank you very much indeed.